Calculating the range, mean, median, mode, measures of central tendency. Standard deviation and range are both measures of variation. The range of a data set is the highest value minus the lowest value. So scanning through these numbers, we can identify 10 as the lowest and 25 as the highest. So the range 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. If we input this data into our TI-84 calculator under Stat and Edit, clear off your L1 and L2 if they have anything. That means you go up top, hit clear, and then enter. Then that would clear off the entire list. That means you can start fresh. That's preferable. We can input all our data in here under L1. Then we will hit Stat, Calc, go to one variable stats, that's the first choice, hit enter. Again, your list is L1. If your list is somewhere else, then make sure that you type in the correct the correct list. And this tells us a couple of key information. X bar is our average 16.2. So we can put that in, and that is our mean. It tells us the median also. If we scroll down a bit, the median here is where it says MED. That's 14.5. It also tells us a sample and population standard deviation. SX is the sample standard deviation. Sigma X, 4.96, that's the population standard deviation. Since this data says sample, that means we are using SX as our standard deviation. The mode is the most frequent data item. Since every data item occurs once, that means they are tied for the most frequent. That means there is no mode. So what percent of these scores are one standard deviation away from the mean? If we take our average of 16.2 and add 5.22 to that, which again is our standard deviation. If we take 16.2 and also subtract 5.22, this gives us a range of values, in this case 10.98 up to 21.42. So if we scan through this data, which numbers are between 10.98 and 21.42? That will be the values of 15, 12, 14, 13, 20, 19, and 11. Data value like 25 or 10 are not within this range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements that are within one standard deviation of the mean, divided by 10 total elements means 70% of scores are one standard deviation away from the mean.